Are you tired of Jira showing the wrong time for your deadlines? In 2 minutes, I will show you exactly how to fix it. First, we will go to your Jira account settings. Then, find the hidden time zone dropdown. And finally, select your correct zone. So, start by opening your Jira account. Just log in like you normally would. Now, here is the thing a lot of people get stuck on. You might think you can change your time zone right from the main settings menu. It seems logical, right? But there is a sneaky little problem there. So hold that thought. Then click the gear icon at the top right. You know the one. It looks like a little cogwheel. This opens up your settings menu. From the menu, select General Settings. Go ahead and click that. Now, when this page loads, take a good look. You will see a section that says Your Time Zone. And you can see your time zone, but you cannot click on the drop-down to change it. It is grayed out. It is disabled. I have tested this myself, and it is one of the most common pitfalls in Jira. A lot of people get stuck right here and give up. But do not worry, we are not done yet. Notice the time zone dropdown is disabled here, so do not try to force it. It just will not work. Instead, go to your profile settings page. You can usually find this by clicking on your avatar in the top right and selecting Profile, or you might see a link in that same settings menu. This is where all your personal preferences actually live. Now you can click the dropdown and choose your time zone. Here it is, right on your profile. Go ahead and click that dropdown. You will see a huge list of regions and cities. Find yours. It might take a second to scroll through, but it is in there. I usually just type the first few letters of my city to jump straight to it. Don't forget to save your changes. This is the step everyone forgets. Look for a big blue button at the bottom of the page that says Save. Click it. Check that the correct time zone is now displayed. The page might refresh, and you should see your new time zone right there in your profile. So far, so good. Now, create or view a task to confirm the times are correct. This is the real test. Head back to your project, look at an existing task, or create a quick new one. Check the due date, the start date, any deadline. Does it match your local time now? It should. In my experience, this fixes the confusion immediately. No more showing up to a meeting an hour early or missing a deadline because Jira told you the wrong time. And that is it. You are all set. Your Jira now speaks your time zone. Go ahead and get back to work and enjoy not having to mentally convert every single due date.